Hey there, YouTubers! Are you in a tight spot and have a hard time getting a straight cut on a pipe? Well, strap on in for an easy method including some materials you may not expect. We here at Hello I Am Bear channel like to keep things straight and level. Now cutting a large pipe in a tight area can be kind of tricky. Now don't cut it like they did back in the 50s.
That there's a sharp stick from poking some commies.
But instead, take a piece of tape, any piece of tape, and wrap it around the pipe. When the tops of the tape and the bottoms of the tape match when it connects together, you then know that you have a straight line that you can cut against. So go ahead and cut it! Or mark it first before doing that. Be a good internet friend by liking this video and subscribing to help our channel out, and let us know if you have any other question or topic you want us to do a video on.
Just cutting some PVC for a YouTube channel. Oh, wait a second. PVC won't be invented for another 20 years. Wait, YouTube won't be around for another 50 years. No, I know too much.